Hey everybody, welcome back to Ride Home with David. Another episode today regarding the Yamasaki YM50. I've been waiting to make some videos because the heat here in Las Vegas is just insane during the summer. On top of it, my camera will just shut off after about 20 seconds with the video. It's pretty frustrating. So now today we're in the 80s, somewhat lower 90s, so this should be more temperable. So today's video is about checking your tire pressure. Here's my little tire pressure gauge from Slime. I'm not endorsed by Slime. I'm just saying this is a pretty good little tire pressure gauge. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the tire pressure gauge because this bike's been sitting for quite some time. So let's take a look. We're at 24.5. That is dangerously low. One major tip, you guys, always check your tire pressure every day, all the time. I was thinking about going for a ride, but the number one priority here is making sure these tires are up to snuff. So they were making a lot of noise when I was moving the bike, so that's another obvious indication. So if your tires are squealing in the garage as you're moving it around, definitely another indication that you should be checking your tire pressure. Okay. All right, so I'm going to pause the video for a second here, and I'm going to get the compressor and we're going to load up and get it back up to tire pressure. We'll see. We're also going to check the rear as well. Okay folks, let's check again the tire pressure, see where we're at. Remember, always check and make sure it's on the PSI because there's like 3 different levels. Ooh, 38, so we're a little too high, but that's fine. You drop a few pounds. Remember, about every second is about a pound. So you don't want to be doing that too long, we'd be wasting your time. All right, let's check it again. You want to get a closer look in here of what I'm doing. $35 is good. It's not a bad thing. And over time, if you let it sit in the garage, it'll start going lower on its own. Then you're back down to, should be like around 32, but let's just drop it down again, just a little bit more. Okay. You see here. Make sure all the air is escaping. 32.5. There you go. That's a good air pressure right there. It's perfect. Front tire, great. Okay, now let's move on to the rear wheel and see what neglect I left on this bike here. Unfortunately, during the summer months, it's just too hot. I went riding the other day and the bike was just dying with heat. This thing is air cooled and the air here isn't too intense. Okay. Let's see where we're at. Let's do a reset here. Okay, reset is to turn it back on. And 0. Okay. All right, let's do that. Ooh, that's not. Oh, look at that. 26.5. Way too low. That's what's called dangerously too low. So let's throw some air. chain grease on my hand. No biggie. Not gonna cry about it. Okay, let's get in there now. Now we're back to 0. Oh, didn't get a reading. 32 on the dot. Damn, I'm good. Alright guys, that was just a quick video for today's Yamasaki maintenance update. Stay tuned folks, more videos to come. As for the Volkswagen, well, had some unfortunate things happen. That's going to be explaining that in the next video. Thanks for watching with Right On with David. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.